Shri Sai Ram. Hearty welcome to Sri Sathya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam. Online classes, winds, storms and cyclones. And naturally we know that air exerts pressure. What is pressure? Force per unit area is called pressure. State two experiences that made you think that air exerts pressure. It is difficult to ride a bicycle in a direction towards which the wind is blowing. It is due to the pressure that exerted by the air on the bicycle. The wind is blowing, it is difficult to ride a vehicle because you are not able to balance it. The pressure of the air, what you call it as wind, will affect the driver or affect the person who drives the bicycle. So that is one experience. Secondly, movement of windows and doors of the house when the wind blows at a high speed shows that air exerts pressure. Coming to second question, explain why holes are made in the hanging banners. Why the holes are necessary? What do the holes do there? Holes are made in hanging banners and holdings so that air can pass through the holes. So when holes are there, air will easily pass through that. What does it do? This reduces the pressure exerted by the air on the banners and holdings, and these will not fall down or tear easily. Now coming to today's topics, high speed winds are accompanied by reduced air pressure. There is an activity for that. And lastly, we have high speed winds can blow away the roofs, especially in the villages where we have a thatched roof or roof with the shutters. They will be blown away due to the high speed winds. Okay, let us see one by one. High speed winds are accompanied by reduced air pressure. So when you say the speed of the wind is high, it means that the pressure of the air is reduced. Let us see one activity now. A small piece of paper crumpled into a ball of size smaller than the mouth of the empty bottle. Now the ball is trying to be blown into the bottle. So what is he doing? He is blowing now. He is trying his best to push this paper ball inside. What do you expect? We expect that the ball may go inside, but it is not so. What we observe? We observe that the ball cannot be blown inside. That is a very interesting experiment. You can also try, okay? So, what is that observation? What is the reason for that? When you blow into the mouth of the bottle, the air near the mouth has the highest speed. So when you blow it here, the speed is very high. So what is that conclusion? Which decreases the pressure. So the air pressure inside the bottle is higher than near the mouth. So the pressure inside the bottle is more than the pressure you give in the mouth. So what happens? It is not going inside. Are you following? Okay. So here air moves from the region where the air pressure is high to the region where the pressure is low. That is very important. Air always moves from a higher pressure to lower pressure. Is it not? Now let us see what Bhagwan Baba says. It is only in the depth of silence that the voice of God can be heard. Of course, sometimes you will be silent, but your mind will not be silent. Not only mouth, mind also should be silent. Then only you can hear the voice of God, says Bhagavan Satsai Baba. Okay? Thank you.